Welcome to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, welcome as well. Please consider subscribing and turn on your notifications as I post new videos every week. So today I'll be showing you how I make my soft fluffy pancakes. Now let's get started. So for the dry ingredients, you'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can use granulated sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon, which is optional, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now for the wet ingredients, I'll be using 1 large egg, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of melted butter or margarine, and a cup of milk. So add all the dry ingredients together and just mix them up. And the reason why I said cinnamon is optional, but I would highly recommend that you use cinnamon on your pancakes because it adds a beautiful flavor to your pancakes, and you can see a huge difference when you make pancakes without cinnamon and the ones that you make with cinnamon. The taste is just delicious. So please, if you can, do not skip this step. Once you're done with mixing the dry ingredients, add the wet ingredients. So I have my egg that I've already beaten up, and then I went ahead to add in my melted margarine. Remember, you can use butter, and just whisk them all up. Once that is done, go ahead to add in your milk and whisk that as well. Once you're done, lastly add in your vanilla extract and whisk that together with all these wet ingredients. Now it's time to mix the ingredients together. So create a well in the center of your bowl of dry ingredients and go ahead to add in your wet ingredients. And just mix them all together using your spatula and ensure that there are no lumps in your batter. I'll go ahead to show you the pancakes at a closer range. And go ahead to serve your pancakes. Once they are ready, I went ahead to add strawberries and blueberries on mine. You can serve your pancakes with some honey or maple syrup, however you want, with a cup of tea or coffee. Let me show you how it looks on the inside. So here is the pancake. When I've cut it, you can see how soft it is on the inside. You can literally see the crumbs in it, and it smells so delicious. It's literally a cake made on a pan. So yeah, please try this recipe and let me know how yours turns out, but I promise you will love it. And there you have it. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't. Please share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you on my next one. Till next time, bye bye.